A glass of lime juice is refreshing. Can you find the surface area of a half-sliced lemon and the amount of juice it holds? At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify a hemisphere and hemispherical shell, derive formulae to calculate curved surface area and total surface area of hemisphere, derive formulae to find the volume of a hemisphere, apply the formulae derived to solve real-life problems. Let us have a look at the objects that we see around us. These objects have something in common among them. Can you identify it? All the objects have two surfaces, one curved surface and one circular flat surface. Can you create the object yourself? Let us take a lemon and cut it into two equal parts. Can you identify the object you got? A plane passing through the center of a sphere divides the sphere in two equal parts, each of which is called a hemisphere. Do you know what the area of the sliced lemon is? Sliced lemon resembles hemisphere. Hemisphere is a part of sphere. Look at this. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is equal to half the curved surface area of the sphere. What is the formula to find the curved surface area of the sphere? Recall, curved surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 2 pi r square. Since the curved surface area of hemisphere is half the surface area of the sphere, therefore, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. For a lemon of radius 2 centimeters, the curved surface area of the half-sliced lemon is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere. Recall, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, which is equal to 25.14 centimeters square. Curved surface area of half lemon equal to 25.14 centimeters square. Total surface area of hemisphere is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus the area of circular surface. What is the formula to find the curved surface area of the hemisphere and area of circle? We know curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square and area of circle is equal to pi r square. Thus, the total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Therefore, the total surface area of the hemisphere is the sum of the areas of its curved surface and the area of the circular surface. So, total surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. How would you find the total surface area of lemon? For a lemon of 2 cm radius, the total surface area of the lemon is equal to total surface area of hemisphere. Recall, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Substituting the known values and simplifying, we get total surface area of the lemon is equal to 37.71 centimeters square. Total surface area of the lemon is equal to 37.71 centimeters square. Rita has a birthday party in the evening. She has invited 10 of her friends for the party. She wants to serve ice creams in hemispherical bowls. Let us find the amount of ice cream required for the party. Observe the shape of the bowl. It is in the shape of a hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is equal to half the volume of sphere. Recall volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. From this, we conclude that the volume of the hemisphere is half the volume of a sphere. So, the volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Let us take the radius of the hemisphere to be 5 centimeters, and then the amount of ice cream in each bowl is equal to volume of hemisphere. Recall, volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Thus, the amount of ice cream required for each bowl is 261.90 centimeter cube. Let us convert the unit 1 liter to 1000 centimeter cube, and thus 1 centimeter cube is equal to 0.001 liter. Thus, the amount of ice cream in each bowl is 0.262 liter. So, the amount of ice cream required for the birthday party is equal to 0.262 into 10, that is equal to 2.62 liters. The amount of ice cream required for the birthday party, that is equal to 2.62 liters. Have a look at these real-life objects. Do you observe anything in common in these objects? Each object shown here is hemispherical in shape with certain hollowness. Let us probe a little deeper into it. Can you identify the figure they resemble? It is a hollow hemispherical shell with a certain thickness. If r' and r are the outer and inner radius of the two hemispheres, then the thickness of the hemispherical shell is r' minus r. Thus, a hemispherical shell is the difference of two solid concentric hemispheres. How would you find the areas and volumes of the hemispherical shell? What is the curved surface area of the hemisphere? Curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Area of the outer surface is 2 pi capital R dash square. Area of the inner surface is 2 pi r square, and the area of the rim at the top is pi r dash square minus pi r square. So, the total surface area of hemispherical shell is equal to outer surface area plus inner surface area plus area of the rim or thickness. And the volume of the hemispherical shell is volume of the outer hemispherical shell minus volume of inner spherical shell. Thus, the total surface area of hemispherical shell is equal to pi times 3r dash square plus r square, and the volume of the hemispherical shell is equal to 2 by 3 times pi times r dash cube minus r cube. The internal and external diameters of a hollow hemispherical bowl are 24 centimeters and 25 centimeters. If the cost of painting 1 centimeter square surface area is 5 paisa per centimeter square, then can you calculate the cost of painting the vessel all over? Total surface area of the bowl is equal to total surface area of the hemispherical shell. We know that the total surface area of hemispherical shell is equal to pi into 3r dash square plus r square, which is equal to 1925.79 centimeter square. Cost of painting per centimeter square is 5 paisa. So the cost of painting the entire vessel is rupees 96.29. Cost of painting the entire vessel is rupees 96.29. Can you find the amount of ceramic used in making the bowl if the radius of the outer hemispherical shell is equal to 12.5 centimeters and radius of inner shell is 12 centimeters? Amount of ceramic used in making the bowl is equal to volume of hemispherical shell. Recall, volume of hemispherical shell is equal to 2 by 3 pi into r cube minus r cube. Thus, the volume of hemispherical shell formula can be used to find the volume of the bowl. Substituting the values of the radius of the two hemispherical shells and simplifying, we get volume of the hemispherical shell is equal to 471.70 centimeter cube. Therefore, the amount of ceramic used in making the bowl is equal to 471.70 centimeter cube.